5 movies you must watch for learning English. Watching movies is one of the best ways to learn English. You can enjoy the story while listening to real conversations in English. Movies help you learn new words, understand accents, and see how people use English in daily life. Here are 5 movies that are perfect for English learners. Let's dive into why these movies are great and how they can help you improve your English. 1. The Lion King. Why watch it? This is an animated movie with simple and clear dialogues. The story is about a lion cub named Simba, who learns about responsibility and courage. The characters speak slowly, making it easier for beginners to understand. What will you learn? Basic vocabulary about animals, family, and emotions. Expressions like Hakuna Matata, which means no worries. How to express feelings like happiness, sadness, and bravery. Tips for learning. Watch it with subtitles first. This will help you connect the spoken words to their meanings. Repeat your favorite lines and try to imitate the character's pronunciation. Write down new words and use them in sentences. 2. Finding Nemo. Why watch it? This is a heartwarming animated movie about a fish named Marlin who searches for his son, Nemo. The conversations are simple and filled with everyday vocabulary. The story is fun and engaging, which keeps you interested. What will you learn? Words related to the ocean, family, and friendship. Common phrases like, just keep swimming, which means to keep trying even when things are hard. How to describe places and give directions. Tips for learning. Pause and repeat any parts you don't understand. Practice speaking like the characters, especially Dory, who has a cheerful tone. Discuss the story with friends or write a short summary to practice your writing skills. 3. Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. Why watch it? This magical movie introduces you to the world of Harry Potter, a young wizard. The language is slightly advanced, but still suitable for beginners with subtitles. The story is exciting, making you want to keep watching and learning. What will you learn? Vocabulary related to magic, school, and friendships. Words like wizard, spell, and potion. How to describe people, places, and actions. Tips for learning. Watch short scenes and try to understand the context. Focus on learning key phrases used in daily life like thank you and good job. Try reading the book if you enjoy the movie. It's a great way to expand your vocabulary. 4. The Pursuit of Happiness. Why watch it? This inspiring movie is based on a true story about a man who works hard to achieve his dreams. The dialogues are simple and emotional, helping you connect with the language. The story teaches important life lessons about hope and determination. What will you learn? Words and phrases related to work, family, and success. How to express emotions like hope, sadness, and joy. Real-life English used in formal and informal settings. Tips for learning. Pay attention to how characters express their emotions. Try to copy their tone. Write a diary entry about what you learned from the movie. Practice using phrases like, don't give up and I believe in you. 5. Forrest Gump. Why watch it? This classic movie is about the life of a man named Forrest, who shares his incredible journey. The language is simple, and Forrest speaks slowly, making it easy to understand. The movie is full of interesting events that help you learn about history and culture. What will you learn? Common phrases and idioms like life is like a box of chocolates. How to tell stories and describe past events. Vocabulary related to different topics like love, war, and success. Tips for learning. Listen carefully to Forrest's accent and try to imitate it. Write your own short story using phrases you learned from the movie. Discuss the movie's lessons with someone else to practice speaking. General tips for watching movies to learn English. Use subtitles. Start with subtitles in your native language, then switch to English subtitles as you improve. Watch in small parts. Focus on one scene at a time to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Repeat and practice. Rewatch your favorite parts and repeat the dialogues to improve your pronunciation. Take notes. Write down new words and phrases. Look them up and use them in your conversations. Have fun. Enjoy the movie. When you're having fun, learning becomes easier. Conclusion: movies are a fantastic way to learn English. They expose you to real-life conversations, cultural context, and new vocabulary. Start with these 5 movies: The Lion King, Finding Nemo, Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone, The Pursuit of Happiness, and Forrest Gump. Follow the tips mentioned above, and you will see improvement in your English skills while having fun. Happy watching and learning!